How do you clean a tank in Zone 0 without risking lives? Choose the Gerotto Robotic Zone 0 tank cleaning system. Engineered for cleaning, built for safety. This compact and innovative tank cleaning system is designed for Zone 0 environments. It includes a remotely operated robot and an external screw pump for material removal. All components, including the control and storage rooms, are housed in a single 20-foot container. Why the Gerotto system is a game changer? No one enters, ever. Just robots built to go where no human ever should. This is not the future. This is now. Zero entry, maximum safety, total remote control. Gerotto obtained Atex, Iecex, and Class 1 Division 1 certification for Zone 0. It's not just about certifications, it's about quality and reliability. Every challenge is different. That's why our in-house R&D team tailors each system to your specific needs with the right accessories and the best setup for the material to be removed. The Gerotto 20-foot system comes with its own high-capacity Zone 1 certified pump designed to handle even the most viscous materials. It keeps working as long as your discharge tank has space. No need to stop, no time wasted. Streamlined operations, less manpower. Compared to traditional manual tank cleaning, you only need 3 to 4 operators instead of an average of 12. That means fewer people exposed to risk, easier coordination, and greater control over the entire cleaning process. Let's take a closer look. At the heart of the system, there's the Gerotto robot, certified for Atex, Iecex, and Class 1 Division 1 Zone 0. Compact and powerful, it fits through standard 600mm manholes and even down to 400mm in its smallest version. Fully submersible up to 20 meters, it operates in extreme conditions from -20 to +60 degrees, using just 30 liters of oil per minute at 230 bar. Its arm is equipped with certified Zone 0 lights and cameras, with a dedicated nozzle for lens cleaning and an IP69K rating for maximum waterproof protection. The Gerotto HD camera system can operate safely even in areas with hydrogen presence. Thanks to its high-definition resolution, it delivers crystal-clear images, ensuring reliable monitoring in hazardous conditions. Every tank is different, and every material brings its own challenges. That's why the robot can be equipped with a full range of interchangeable tools like the auger made of bronze. It's spark-resistant, designed to break up even the toughest materials. It efficiently directs sludge and solid residues into the suction hose, ensuring smooth and continuous cleaning operations. High-pressure nozzles, reaching up to 3,000 bar, are key to breaking through hardened deposits, while high-flow nozzles, delivering up to 500 liters per minute, help fluidify the material for easy removal. The magnetic tracks provide exceptional grip on especially oily or slippery floors inside tanks, with a pulling force up to 1,100 kilograms when fully magnetic. The system includes a screw pump certified for Atex Zone 1, designed to handle highly viscous or abrasive fluids, even those containing solid particles without clogging. It runs at 350 RPM, delivering up to 70 cubic meters per hour at 5 bar of pressure. That means so less downtime and costs. Everything is housed in a 20-foot container certified for Zone 1. The system features a fully equipped control cabin, including 2 19-inch Zone 1 monitors and ergonomic controls. Every component is either intrinsically safe or fully certified for explosive atmospheres in Zone 1. A dedicated storage area holds accessories, umbilical with its hose reel, ramps, and the power unit, making the system self-contained and ready to deploy. The power unit is transported inside the container for easy mobilization and storage, available in diesel or electric versions, enabling full remote control from a safe distance. The umbilical connects robot, control unit, and power source. Anti-static, oil-resistant, and built for harsh environments, it's available in lengths up to 150 meters from the robot to control room. The umbilical is neatly stored on a hydraulic reel for easy handling. The Gerotto system is built to deliver tank cleaning robotic solution that's safe, precise, and uncompromising in quality and performance. Innovation first, safety always.